Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the coolant in your Nissan Juke. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid severe burns from hot fluid or steam. Gather all your necessary tools, including a large drain pan, a funnel, and the correct type of new coolant. Don't forget your safety glasses and gloves for protection. Now, let's get started by draining the old coolant. First, locate the radiator drain plug, which is usually found at the bottom of the radiator on the passenger side. Place a large drain pan, capable of holding at least 6 to 8 quarts, directly beneath the plug. Carefully open the drain plug and then the radiator cap to ensure all the old, dirty coolant drains out completely. After the old coolant has fully drained, it's time to flush the system. Close the radiator drain plug tightly. Then, fill the radiator with distilled water, not tap water, to prevent mineral deposits. Start your engine and let it run for about 10 minutes with the heater on high. This helps circulate the water. Finally, drain the distilled water completely to remove any lingering old coolant or debris. With the system flushed, we can now refill it. Close the drain plug and slowly pour in the new, recommended coolant for your Nissan Juke. Start the engine with the heater set to its highest setting. This helps open the thermostat and bleed air from the system. As the engine warms, air bubbles will escape. Top off the coolant level as necessary and inspect for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.